Hello, how are you? Are you doing anything on Friday? Do you want to have lunch together? We have seen for a long time.
I'm okay. I'm afraid I cannot go with you because I am going to visiting cousin in the afternoon. Are you free on Monday? I go running on Monday morning, but I am free in the afternoon.
I am tired. Up all day. I am afraid I have a math class at 7:30 and I go to the gym in the afternoon. Is Sunday possible for you to go out for lunch?
Well, I'm free all day, so we say 11:30.
Yes, that's fine. Where shall we meet?
Why don't we eat at Gordon Ramsay Hell Kitchen? Let's meet outside the restaurant.
That's fine. See you at 11:20. Bye.
Bye.